Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1957 Nomad. Beautiful body, finished in red. Sitting on rallies. Extremely straight. 350 under the hood. Power steering, power Rack-N-Pinion steering. Power brakes, got disc up front, drum in the rear. Air conditioning. Gorgeous chrome and stainless everywhere. This car is just riddled with chrome. Paint is gleaming. Brand new tires. It's a 350 crate motor under the hood. And here she is. 350 crate. Power brakes. Power Rack-N-Pinion steering, AC, dual coils, headers leading to dual exhaust, monster aluminum radiator, dual horns, just as nice as it could be. Global West upper and lower control arms. Tilt wheel. Billet steering wheel wrapped in leather. Power buckets, custom console, custom door panels, billet pedals, vintage sound system. Love the Horseshoe Shifter. Again, power windows. Pretty cool. Showing 31,210 miles. Tire pressure monitoring system, nicely hidden. Quad gauges, very nicely done. Gorgeous back seat. You can see more pictures of that on the website. Stainless runners, beautiful headliner. Great sound to it. Beautifully done on the console. How the seat slides forward too, main access. Spare and all finished in here. Just beautiful. Nicely Restomoded. Not too much. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot, and don't forget to subscribe.